My name is Jamie Kagan. I'm co-owner of European Snow Sport here in Nonda, Switzerland. Co-owner of Sommier Neige Ski Instructor Training and Development, and Head of Education for IASI, the Irish Association of Snow Sports Instructors. So continuing on with our intermediate to advanced ski tips, this video is going to start teaching us how to carve the ski. Now what I mean by carving is letting the ski design slice the turn for us and give us that direction change, rather than a more skidded turn that we showed in our parallel turns. So when we look at the ski design, you'll notice it has a slight hourglass shape to it. And this means that when we put the ski on an edge and we add a bit of pressure to it, the ski bends, it flexes, and that allows us to start to carve the ski to give us that direction change. So from a flat ski, when we roll the ski onto an edge, you'll be able to see there's a little bit of light from the middle of the ski, and that's that hourglass shape we were talking about. When we then add a bit of pressure through the middle of the ski starts to bend, and this is what's going to give us that direction change when we're carving. In this first clip, I place myself diagonally across the slope, but ensuring that I'm not going to pick up too much speed. I then simply start to glide, and when I feel ready, I start to roll my knees and ankles up the hill. As you can see here, the result is two clean lines in the snow. In this second clip, I've placed myself slightly higher up the slope to give myself a little bit more speed entering the turn. Again, all I'm simply doing is rolling my knees and ankles up the hill. In this next clip, I've placed myself further up the hill once again. This time my skis are pointing straight down the hill into the fall line. I let myself slide, and again I roll my knees and ankles up the hill until I come to a complete stop. And finally, we try this exercise coming from the point of the previous turn. This time I ensure my skis flatten before I roll onto my new edges, and my goal is to make sure as I roll my ankles and knees I maintain balance to the outside ski. Now I've tried this in both directions, I can now start to link my turns together. Again, try this on a gentle slope to start with and increase the pitch as you feel more comfortable. So a little exercise to give us a hand with this carving is to take our poles like we've got two swords, and we're going to place them in the ground. Now as we start the turn, we're going to try to reach our outside pole as far away as possible, and that's going to allow us to balance over the outside ski a bit more and let our knees and ankles roll up the hill. Notice here how both poles are in the ground the whole time. This is extremely important. Ensure that you start to stretch the outside hand further and further away from you to help you to move further with the knees and ankles inside the turn.